we're back at the Terrace Point Cafe again because it's just the easiest option. Today I got a coffee, of course, and I also got this immunity green juice, which was really good, actually. I got the vegan huevos rancheros again. I get this without the impossible chorizo and the hot sauces. Austin's already gone in on his chicken and waffles. I'm so excited to eat today. I'm so hungry. So I'm about to head down for my massage. I'm sure there will be no videoing of that, but I have on my little Aritzia Tempest dress. Again, I live in these. This is the black one. I think this might have been an extra short one, which I actually think looks good on me since I'm so short. But yeah, I love this. We went into a Aritzia store yesterday. I've never actually seen a storefront for them, so that was really cool. And I think Austin's gonna walk around the game floor maybe? Cool. So I'm very excited. I'm getting a foot treatment too because my feet are wrecked. After my massage, I met up with Austin at Earth Cafe and I got this delicious kale salad with sweet potato. It was huge. I couldn't finish the whole thing. But it comes with regular cheese, but they have an almond cheese. You can ask them to switch out, so I did that. It was a really good salad though, just humongous. Got a Happy Camper cocktail, a large one. Delicious. There was a fight at the pool. It was fantastic. It's a gorgeous day. The sun's just about behind the building, so we've got some nice shade now after having a lot of sun. Okay, it's our last night here, Thursday night. And we are seeing the Blue Man group tonight, and we're going to like an Asian dim sum place. I've got on this dress. This is J. Crew, and it's the same cut as the green one I wore the other day, but this is the Liberty of London collab, so it's a little more money, but I do think they still have this one on the website if you like it. I think it's a really nice print. There's a lot of colors in it, so it could probably work well with a lot of skin tones. I think it's really nice. And I've got on my little shorts. I've been wearing these every day like I mentioned, so definitely don't like those. Got my tennis shoes on. We are going to head out for dinner now. I'm very excited, although I'm very tired and I'm kind of ready to go home, sleep in my own bed and see my kitty cat. We packed up most of our stuff. It's mostly like bathroom stuff that we just need to pack now. So we're ready to go there. We don't have an early flight, but I just like having that all finished. But yeah, that is what the evening holds. We have dinner. We're at Chef Kenny's. Some mushroom, a vegan sumai, and a sexy roll. Yum! It all looks so good.
What does that do? I'm gonna have a hard time just eating this.
I got pork fried dumplings, and also got sesame chicken too.
It's nice and crispy.
We had a feast. We're going to see the Blue Man group tonight. I think in this venue. Back at our room, our last night in our room. Something in this shirt is like poking me. I don't know what's up with that. But our last night in the room, and we saw the Blue Man group. It was really good. Really good. Very entertaining, except for one part where they put a whole bunch of marshmallows in the one guy's mouth, and that made me gag because that was like really gross. But aside from that, it was very good. So I'm gonna take off my makeup, my little bit of makeup, mostly mascara. I'm getting back. It was a long day. Every day has been a long day. I got that massage earlier. I don't think I talked about it. But after the massage, my whole body was just like it worked my body out. And that's why I needed to get in the hot tub, because I was feeling it. So sore. But we're gonna get some rest. Our flight doesn't go out until 2 tomorrow, so we've got some time to really check out, pack slowly, and have breakfast and have no rush. So this is the end of this day. Our last morning here, we're at Terrace Point Cafe again with the huevos again. Asta got it too. Got my coffee, my hot sauces, and I'm exhausted and we're flying home today and I'm gonna miss the drag race finale. So we have our bags packed. We are just under 50 on both, thank goodness. We had our breakfast at Terrace Point Cafe. We ate there a few times just because it's in the hotel and it's easy, in case you guys were wondering.
That's good.
And it's good, yeah, it was good. I've got my Calvin bra and my, why can't I remember the name of these? My girlfriend leggings. I'm gonna put on my Gottmik shirt. Oh, I forgot about this lint roller. Can you put this in your backpack?
Yeah.
Thanks. Anyway, and I've got a sweater and a jacket because we're gonna be getting home late and it's a little cooler at home. Got my neck pillow, sunglasses that I'm throwing around. My purse is good to go. Shoes, my carry-on. And now we can just relax, which is nice. I'm more than happy to just kick back and relax for a little bit until it's time to Uber out. Our view is really nice. Well, I mean, it's not really of anything, but there are a lot of trees. And you really can see a decent way down the strip. So that's kind of cool. And the mountains, I don't know if you can get this to focus enough to see the mountains behind that hotel. Oh my god, look at those mountains. So many different colors. Oh, like I'm looking at the sky. Look at the mountains. It's so wild to me. The entire city is like surrounded by mountains. There's a plane going out. That'll be us in a little bit. You can see mountains between those hotels. Right over there. It's really cool. We'll have to come back and see more shows. Right? Oh, I forgot this was still really zoomed in to see the mountains. Let me zoom out. I zoomed way in on your face. So, that's what we're doing today. Probably won't be a very interesting video. What? I don't know, you can ask me a question. What was it?
So what was in this bag?
The sunglasses were in that bag, but since it wasn't like a branded bag or anything, I figured we didn't need to take it home. But we could have it just in case we needed it. So I didn't throw it out. Yeah, so just relaxing now. We just got back from going to the Earth Cafe one last time. I got a green juice, which is basically just celery juice. It's intensely celery. Then Austin got a like peanut butter and date smoothie. Yeah.
Same thing I got every time.
Yeah. Our last little bit of nourishment here at the hotel before we have to head to the airport, and who knows what we'll be able to eat there. So, get a little something in here. I think we'll be checking out in like, what, an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really hope this rain comes through before we have to leave. Because you can see it coming over the mountains.
Yeah.
Right now.
Apparently it's gonna rain. Woo. So, nice chill afternoon, or pre-noon. It's still morning. Oh my god. It's still morning. Nice chill morning still before we head to the airport. your kitty cat pillow. Yeah, you're a sweet girl. Yeah, we're home. Hi, baby. Cutie cat. Yeah. So we are home and it is, what time is it? 12:19. Our plane landed around 10. It landed early and then we had to sit on the tarmac for, how long were we on there? Like 40 minutes?
Almost an hour.
Almost an hour.
40,
because there was
minutes.
Issues with the plane that was in the gate we were supposed to go to, and then they ended up sending us to another one. But we are home. We're finally home. We've got our bags. They're not getting unpacked tonight, but we've got them. And Franny was very happy to see me, and we can tell, like, she's been laying in the same spot. She has definitely been laying on my side the whole time because there is nothing but kitty cat hair. So that's gonna need to get cleaned, Francesca.
The only time she lays over here is when you're home and I'm not.
Yeah. She likes Mama's side. But yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth, take out my contacts, and go to bed. And try to get back on a normal routine here on the East Coast. I'm just so tired. Alright. Well, I'm sure I will have plenty to fill in with voiceover for the trip to give you guys details on things and whatnot, but that is the end of the Las Vegas travel vlogs, and I think I did a decent job. What do you think? I definitely did a decent job remembering to film. Now we'll see if it all comes together to make any sort of cohesive vlog. I have no idea. But I will talk to you all later. Bye.